Check it. Yo, check the method of this shit right here one time. Sparking your brain cells to the utmost. Unlimited epidemics being spreaded. No, just trying to add on for y'all niggas. Yo, fusion of the 5 elements. The search for the higher intelligence. Women walk around celibate, living irrelevant. The most benevolent king, communicating through your dreams. Mental pictures been painted, a lost, heard and seen everywhere. Throughout your surrounding atmosphere, troposphere, thermosphere, stratosphere. Can you imagine for one single idea? Everything appeared here. Understand it makes my truth crystal clear. Innocent black immigrants locked in housing tenements. 85% tenants dependent welfare recipients. Stapleton's been stamped as a concentration camp. And like I walk through third eye, bright as a street lamp. Electric micros, robotic probes, taking telescope pictures of the globe. Babies getting pierced with microchips stuffed inside their earlobes. Then examinated, blood contaminated, vaccinated, lies fabricated, exaggerated authorization, food and drug administration, testing poison in prison population. My occupation is to stop the inauguration of Satan. Some claim that it was rating, so I come to slay men like Bartholomew, cause every particle is physical, article is diabolical to the last visible molecule. A space night like Rom, consume planets like Unicron, blasting photon bombs from the arm like Galvatron.
United Nations, gunfire style patient, formulating rap, plural acapella occupation, conquer land like Napoleon. Military bomb fest, we want sanitary food, planetary conquest. Thug people's on some hardcore body shit. Get your shit together for the fucking Illuminati hit. Dreams is free and escape is sleep. For a fool, peep jewels, keep tools for tough time. The ruler rough mind, elevate, stay behind. The sun gotta shine, keep on, cremate the whole Babylon. Time's up, move on. Kings on your pawn, checkmate. No fakes, approach through the gate, case closed. Fakes get froze when it comes time. Chosen ones will hold the gun. We take flight with no fright and attack. Never fear cause our words is clear. Once been done can't be undone, son. We can't care cause the last days and times are surely here. Snakes and flakes get flung by the righteous ones. Divine minds bond, we unified as one. Have a black hope, we have broke. Smoke a bowl of weed shit. Our everlasting essence stay flying over Egypt.
Kimmy, don't go, son, nigga, you my motherfucking heart. Stay still, son, don't move, just think about Kiba. Should be 3 of January, your young guard needs ya. The ambulance is taking too long, everybody get the fuck back. Excuse me, bitch, give me your jack. 1718, 911, low battery. Damn, blood coming out his mouth, he bleeding badly. Nah, Jamie, don't start that shit. Keep your head up, if you escape hell, we're getting fucked up. When we was 8, we went to Bat Day to see the Yanks. In 69, his father and mine, they robbed banks. He pointed to the charm on his neck with his last bit of energy left. Told me rock it with respect. I opened this scene, the guard holding his kids. Photogenic, tears just burst out my wig, plus he dropped one. Oh shit, here come his old earth with no shoes on, screaming, holding her breast with a gown on. She fell on him lightly, touched his jaw, kissed him, rubbed his hair, turned around, the ambulance was there, plus the blue coats, Officer Low took it as a joke. Weeks ago he strip shows the guard and gave him back his coat. Bitches yelling, Beanie Man swung on Helen in the back of a cop car. Dirty talk shit telling, but suddenly a chill came through. It was weird, felt like my man was cast out my heaven. Now we share laid on the stretcher, blood on his wallies like ketchup, deep like the Paul assassination with a sketch of it. It can't be from you who the leads. Second grade hump the teacher's about to leave. Finally this close chapter comes to an end. He was announced.
together.